Hello dear all beautiful students, welcome all to our today's session once again. Hope so you are getting fine and well as the previous time, and we already discussed very important some topics from chapter 13, and on the basis of that way we will go through another new topics. We will start today the types of vitamin. Types of vitamin. Types of vitamin. Yes, on the basis of their soluble properties. Vitamin are of two types. We can get the vitamin are of two types, and one is fat soluble vitamin. One is fat soluble vitamin, and second one is the water soluble vitamin. These are very important points I want to say, because you know the fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamin, if it is asking for, this is also very important for SQ and MCQ types of question. So since these are very important for MCQ types of question, also short question types of also, so we need to understand this one. Which type of vitamin are the fat soluble? Vitamin A, D, E, K. Are the fat soluble vitamin, and on the other hand vitamin B complex. Why we mention the B complex? Because of there are lots of kinds also having in the vitamin B. Okay, vitamin B have their different kinds and types. So vitamin B complex and C, these are the water soluble vitamin. This is not only for asking this stage, it is very important for any upcoming competitive exam also, where it is asking for which one or which vitamin is soluble in the water, which vitamin is soluble in the fat. So these kinds of question, not only for this purpose, it is very important for any kinds of competitive exam also. I hope so you understood what I want to say here. Okay, so this is the two kinds, we know about that. Now we will go through the detailed study about vitamin A. Vitamin A, according to our book, we go through understand about this one. It is found in there are given in our book, that is the fish liver oil and animal fats. Found in, actually source, if we try to understand, and if we try to get that, yes, many other sources also have that, but fish liver oil and animal fats, we can get largely the enormous amount of vitamin A from there. So this is very important on that case. Yes, we can also get the vegetable and rich with carotene. Vegetable and rich with carotene. Yes, you know the carotene is also one kinds of pigments like, okay, substance, chemical substance that are enriched in the vegetables. So vegetable enriched with the carotene, like some vegetables we can mention there: lal shak, palong shak. We can write also tomatoes, carrots, beets, and we can also go through pumpkins, etc. These are the common and very important sources of vitamin A. Yes, not only these kinds. Very first time I told you the found in or source, you can write the sources of vitamin A found in, or instead of this one you can write the sources like fish liver oil, animal fats, vegetable enriched with the carotene. That kinds of vegetable which one is enriched with the carotene, vitamin A, are found exactly maximum amount. Example, lal shak, palong shak, tomatoes, carrots, beets and pumpkins, etc. Some fruits also we can get. Fruits like papaya, mango, jackfruits. Papaya, mango, jackfruit contain vitamin A, and it is also found in some small fishes. Okay, some small fish we can see there. These are the common source we get from vitamin A. Excellent amount, we can get the enormous amount and maximum amount there. Some fish like small fish is very important, very important. This one is small fish. Then like the mola dhela, okay, mola dhela, this type of small fish is very important for brighten our eyesight, because if you take and love to eat the small fishes, on that time there will be no chance of getting the deficiency of vitamin A, like night blindness, xerophthalmia, some diseases also related with the vitamin A. We will go through understanding about that parts. So hope so if we try to understand that what kinds of foods enrich with the vitamin A, and if we try to take these kinds of food enormous amount and optimum amount, that times we cannot feel the short fall about the vitamin A and lackings and deficiency of these kinds of vitamin A like disease. Okay, night blindness, xerophthalmia, I told you. So hope so you understood what I'm saying this one. Okay, so types of vitamin and sources and found in which source the vitamin A we understood now. Now we will go through some deficiency disease like that. Okay, not only that, you can write some functions of vitamins. And very last time I will, okay, function. At first we will try to understand some functions of vitamin A. We will go through understanding now the functions of vitamin A. Functions of vitamin A. I write the short form of vitamin A is the VIT A. You will write also. You can write the full form also. Okay. To maintain good eyesight. To maintain good eyesight. To maintain good eyesight. Then we can write to keep skin and mucous membrane sound. To keep skin and mucous membrane sound. You can ask me, sir, what is mucous membrane? Yes, I will make you understand. Right first. Then to protect the body from different contagious disease. To protect body from different contagious disease. Contagious disease. Then we can write next onwards to help digest food. To helps in digestion. To helps in digestion of food. Digestion of food. Then we can write to promote appetite. To prompt appetite. To prompt appetite. To keep blood in normal state. To keep blood in normal state. Normal state. Then we can go through understanding to help in nutrition. To help in nutrition. To help in nutrition and growth of the body. So these are the very important functions of vitamin A, and very first one we know the common things in general what we actually going to understand. To maintain good eyesight, night blindness is the common disease in when we feel the deficiency of the vitamin A, that is the night blindness. So if we ensure the vitamin A enriched food in our daily food food level or ideal food pyramid, or making that ideal food chart, or every day, or making that balanced diet food, that times if it is included the vitamin A in our food items or food chart, that times it can maintain the good eyesight, so we can clearly visible something. Okay, so we cannot feel about that it is getting on that case, oh I cannot see, I need to spectacles getting there, the glass wearing to see something not clear, dizzy looking, and then I can just increase with the consult with the doctors the power. So that types of problem will be overcome. This one very importantly, to keep skin and mucous membrane sound. So mucous membrane, yes, it is a jelly like substance membrane. You can know this is the outer layer, skin layer. Then after the skin there is a jelly like substance and layer we can see after during the Qurbani Eid, what we see, and after the skin there is a layer is also that can use the like the young people or children, they can use the drum, make it that layer after the skin, that is called the mucous membrane. Keep the skin and mucous membrane sound. If this making the sound, so there will be no problem in case of the skin. To protect body from different contagious disease, you know, the many of the disease we can affected. One disease is a symptom of the other disease, another disease symptom of the another disease. So if we take the vitamin A, it can protect the body from different contagious disease. To help in digestion of the food, of course very important this one, that if we take the vitamin A enriched food, that times it helps us for making the digestion of the food easily. Some people take the cold drinks for having after heavy meal, taking the cold drinks for making digestion, but if it is going on through on that specific part, okay, so on that case it will be digestion of the food. Okay, so hope so you understand this one. To promote appetite, yes, very important, another one, that I feel very hungry but I cannot take anything for maintaining that one. Okay, so hope so you understood about that specific points. Actually I want to say that is the to prompt appetite. Yes, sometimes feeling hungry we cannot take the optimum amount of food on that case. This is the loss of the appetite, so it is increasing amount of the appetite is very important for this. So my dear students, I hope so you will getting well understanding about that points. And then to keep blood in the normal state, yes, since the blood circulation, if it is not going on the normal state, if it is just going on through the very abnormal state, that times the different kinds of disease can included in our body parts. So it is also very important, another one, to keep blood in the normal state. To help in nutrition and growth of the body, it is very important, since the vitamin A is very prominent and it is a micronutrients kinds, but heart of the very last class I told you the vitamin is known as the heart of the food, though they are micronutrients, so it is need in a small amount for circulate and regulate the all physiological activities. To help in the nutrition and growth of the body, it is also very important things for having the nutrition and growth of the body properly, if we have vitamin A in our daily meal. Hope so you understood what I want to say here. So these all are the very important functions of vitamin A. Now we will go through deficiency disease, vitamin A deficiency disease. There are two vitamin A deficiency disease. One is the night blindness and second one is the xerophthalmia. First one we will go through understanding about that one, and that is night blindness. Night blindness is that disease. Yes, one can see in inadequate light. one can't see, one can't see in an inadequate light. You can say here inadequate light means dim light. Also you can say inadequate dim light is not having the proper amount of light, so it is the night blindness. Yes, what we actually getting some symptom. Okay, symptom of night blindness: vision not transparent at night, transparent at night. Then we can see the bad headache. Bad headache, sometimes we can see there. This is also a symptom of night blindness. Okay, so I sometimes swell up. This is the symptom of night blindness. Yes, so reason: deficiency of vitamin A enriched food. Yes, affected by mostly children, other than you can say the case where we have seen the old age people also getting struck, but mostly children I have written there. So you can write also this one. Yes. Preventive measure. What will be the preventive measure? The preventive measure, if it is green vegetables and colored fruits, green vegetables and colored fruits added in the need to be added in the food menu. Okay, then we can say food menu. Vitamin A capsule for children. Vitamin A capsule for children. Then we can write some doctor's advice to follow. Doctor's advice to follow is several kinds and similar types in any kinds of disease. It is common for here for preventive measure, but in case of these times we can say it is very importantly the doctor's advice to follow. Night blindness: one cannot see in adequate light. I see everything, but if I don't see anything properly and I need to wear spectacles, glass in my eyes, so I feel that I can attack by night blindness. Night blindness is actually not adequate light. If I see the inadequate light and proper amount of light, then I can see easily everything. Symptom: some symptom can be found there. Vision not transparent at night. Yes, at night, that means in dark condition, vision not be transparent. Bad headache: yes, sometimes feeling bad headache. It is also a symptom of night blindness. I sometimes swell up. Yes, sometimes I feeling and sleeping, and then after I can awake and see that eye is getting swell up. Okay, Reason, deficiency of vitamin enriched food. That means I cannot take the vitamin A enriched food properly. So it is the reason for attacked by night blindness. Affected by mostly children, but any age people can affected by this. Preventive measure, if we see, green vegetables or leafy vegetables and colored fruits needed to be suggested to take or added in the food menu. Vitamin A capsule for children, very very important. Don't miss the vitamin A capsule. If it is, maybe now it is going on through, I see in the television that it is the time of taking the vitamin A capsule for the children. Okay, so hope so anyone, if your youngers can there, you can ensure this vitamin A capsule. Doctors advise to follow. Sometimes some doctors checkup is needed. So what is the condition of the present situation of you? So doctors advise to follow and going through that treatment way. So this all about the vitamin A1 disease. Another one disease also have, we will discuss in the Zoom class. Till then, you will study this one, make a note and go through revision about that one. We will see you later in the next class. Everyone is to safe, is to sound. Allah Hafiz.